Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 63 of Usmani Musaf, and that is 101 ayah of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وكيف تكفرون وأنتم تتلى عليكم آيات الله وفيكم رسوله ومن يعتصم بالله فقد هدي إلى صراط مستقيم. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Kay. For kaf is very light, and it is making lean here. Okay, I'll write 2. And this is yaleen. You will say this sound very softly. That's why it is called lean, and lean means softness. Gay. So, and you will take 2 counts long sound to make it. Gay, fa, fa. There should be hums always for fa. Tek. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very sharp. There is no hums whatsoever in ta when it is mutaharika. And when it is attached with kaf, kaf has hums. Tek. After giving shadda on kaf, after cutting off the sound of kaf, let the makhraj open little to make hums. Tek, fu, for fa, give hums. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. The fu sound, the hums comes before dhamma. Fu, ru, make ra heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or ra is with fatha, it is always heavy. So here it is heavy and it is 2 counts long. Ru, na is short. Wa, hamza is very sharp upon your jaws. And there is ikhfa. And this is ikhfa with ta. So you will keep the sound, your tongue very straight. And the sound should feel like this, how I'm saying it. This your tongue is very straight, and your the sound is going into your nose, because ikhwa, the other name of ikhwa is gunna. And tum, for the circle your lips, attached with meme. Meme will get sifa tawassut. Tuts, for first dhamma, for first ta, circle your lips very well because there is dhamma. Second ta has hums. Tut, la is 2 counts long. I should be from your throat very clearly. Before fatha, you are taking this ayn in your throat very nicely. Because when you're saying fatha, your sound is going into jawf and it will be loosened the throat. So the throat sound, the sound comes before fatha. Lay is 2 counts long, and because this is lean, this is lean, give it a very soft sound. Alaykum, for the circle your lips, attached with me, we will get sifa tawassut. Hamza is sharp, but alif is from your jawf. So be very careful about saying the both letters from their makhraj. Yeah, it's 2 counts long. Tullahi, ta will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy. Circle your lips for ta. As soon as you will touch lafz jalala, that will be heavy. Tullah, it is by default, it's always long. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. For kasra, give e sound. He, wa, fi, fa always gets hums. Whatever state fa is in, it will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath and it comes before the pronunciation of your haraka. This sound should be pronounced before kasra. Fi, and it will be 2 counts long. Kum for the circular lips, touch with meme will get sifa off. Tawassut, as soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, otherwise meme will get the matu. Oro, ro is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Su is 2 counts long. Oro, su. If you cannot handle light and heavy sounds, really break it down. It will make your life very easy. But don't mess up with heavy and light letters. Ro, su, lu. For the circular lips, as soon as you will touch ha, it will get rakhawa when you are giving sukoon at the end on ha. Lu. Uwa. For wow, circular lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. May. This is idgham with gunna. May. Yeah. Yeah is very soft letter. You are lifting up the tongue, but you are not touching the palate, so the sound is very soft. Attached with ain, ain will get sifa of tawassut. Yeah, ta is very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ta, slim, sword is heavy, and there is ikhfa shafawi. Slim. So hold the sound in your nose very nicely. Deal for kasra, give e sound. Don't ever drop the kasra sound while you are attaching it with the letter coming up. Bila. Lafz jalala will be light because you found kasra before it. Billahi. He is short. Fa. Make sure you give hums on every fa. Fa. Qad. Qaf is heavy. Dal is light. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Qad. Hu for dhamma circular lips. The sound is very short. D for kasra, give e sound. Here again very soft. The sound is short. Hudiya. E. Hamza is very sharp. Kasra is e sound, but the sound is very short. But the sound is e. E. La. 2 counts long and it is light. Only lafz jalala is sometimes long, sometimes heavy and light, but not any other lam. Okay. All other lams are tarqiq. They are light. Ila, sli, sod is heavy. And the kasra is e sound. The sound is short, but it is heavy. Sli, ra is 2 counts long because it is heavy. Ra is long because this is a long vowel, and it is heavy because there is fatha. Sira, tim, ta is heavy, and there is idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose, and you remember we studied akmal gunna. So there is akmal gunna because the rule of idgham is active. Mus for dhamma, circular lips, attached with sin. Sin will get sifa. Rakhawa, safir, light, ta. Ta is short and very sharp. The sound is short and sharp. Qim, 4 counts long. And there will be tawassut at the end when we are giving sukoon on meme. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. Yeah, very soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but you're not touching the palate. So the sound shouldn't be in ya. Yeah, the Arabiya ya is very different from any other ya used in other languages. Yeah, ay. Hamza is very sharp. And when you are attaching with ya, ya will get nabar. Ya and waw are the letters. When they are with the tashdid, they always get number. And number is the jump of sound. Ay, ay. When you are attaching hamza with ya, this is the place where number is active. Ay, you. For the circle your lips, the sound is very short and soft. Hal, ha, from your throat. And it doesn't have a misty sound. Hal, la, la is short. The, make sure you engage right makhraj of dal, and that is touching the tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth. The, na is short. Two counts long. Ma short. Nutta for noon, circle your lips because there is dhamma. As soon you will touch ta, your lips should be in a straight position. Nutta, then fatha, and fatha is short. Allah. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because you found dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and it is by default, it is long. Allah, ha is short, and there shouldn't be any misty sound. Oh, yes, this is the place where misty sound should be applied, and it should be heard very nicely. Qa is short. Two for dhamma, circle your lips. The ta is very short. The sound is short but very sharp. Two. Qa is 2 counts long. Ti, she short. He 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips. For wow, fatha is short. La 2 counts long. Ta short. Mu 2 counts long. Tun. For dhamma, circle your lips on ta, but as soon you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. Tun. This should be that long gunna because this is akmal gunna. This is the highest level of gunna. Tun. Give a nice time keeping the sound in your nose. And fatha is short. Na. Tun. Na. Don't rush when you are giving gunna. Don't rush it. It makes your tilawa very beautiful, and you will ponder on it. Why there is gunna? Everything in Quran, every haraka in Quran, every subhanallah, long and short vowel in Quran have meaning. Subhanallah. The Quran is so beautiful. Enjoy reciting and enjoy it, understanding it, and enjoy acting upon it. It's a blessing in our hand. It's a barakah in our hand. It's beautiful. So don't let it go until you perform all those rules. Inshallah, you will enjoy your life. Really, I'm telling you. Il hamza is very sharp for kasra. Give e sound attached with lam, and then it will be 2 counts long because this is a long word. Illa huwa. Hamza is very sharp. There is ikhfa with ta, so keep this tongue straight because ta is among light letters. Tum idgham is shafawi, so there will be akmal gunna. Mus. For dhamma, circle your lips attached with seen. Seen will get sifa for qawa, safir, and it is light. Musli. For kasra, give e sound. Mu. Give the wasut when you are stopping at the end. واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون واعتصموا for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain should be from your throat. It's so beautiful to say it. Ta is short and very sharp. The sound is short and sharp. For fatha, open your jaws. Ta, sli. For kasra, give e sound. Sad is heavy. Mu, 2 counts long. واعتصموا B for kasra, give E sound. Habit, give a very misty sound before fatha. Habit. For ba, give qalqala. Lil for kasra, give E sound. Lafz jalala will be light here because there is kasra before it. Lillah, by default, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long. Lillahi, he is short. For kasra, for fatha, open your jaws. Jim should be from middle of your tongue, touching the middle part of your palate, but there shouldn't be any ch sound in this. You have to seal whole of your palate, not to escape any sound, because this is Jim. J. The sound is very short. Me, 2 counts long. Aw, idgham with gunna. Aw. Yes, you're keeping that sound in your nose for a longer time because this is gunna. Akmal. Jami'an wala la, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound, short sound. Ta, farraqu, is 2 counts long. Wadhkuru, dal will get rakhawa. The sound should flow very nicely. Wadhkuka, for dhamma, circle your lips. Uru is 2 counts long. Nia, for kasra, give E sound. Attach with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And ain should be from your throat. Ni'ma, ma is short. Tallahi ta. Make sure you keep ta light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you found fatha before it. Tallahi, for kasra, give E sound. The sound is very short with ha. Ain should be from your throat. The sound should be from before fatha. So make sure you create this ain sound from your throat very nicely. Practice at home and make louder sounds. So your throat should open to say ain. Can you feel this? And after there is fatha. Lay, 2 counts long because this is lean. The sound should be very nicely done. For fatha, give a nice fatha and then attach it. Yeah, very softly. Lay, kum, for the circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of the words. And as soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Id, for kasra, give E sound. For dal, give a nice rakhawa. إذ Kum for Dhamma, circle your lips and give a ikhfa of ta. So your tongue should be in a straight position. Kuntum for Dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get sip of the wasut. Your lips should be your tongue should no wait. Your lips should be in a straight position while you will pronounce meme, because you have to change, because there was dhamma on ta. Tum for hamza, give sound from your throat, lower part of your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut, and ain should be from your throat very nicely. First hamza and then ain. There should be a very nice difference between these two letters. Although the makhraj is very close, but still you can manage with practice. The 4 counts long. Ikhfa. But before ikhfa, there should be hamza sound very nicely from your throat. This sound should be before. Oh, okay, sorry. And your tongue is straight, but your upper 2 teeth are ready to go to your lip. So this is the ikhfa with fa. Fa. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. La is short. Fa, hums with hums always. The sound is very short, but hums is before fatha. Fa, fa, bay. This is 2 counts long because this is lean. Na, short. Ooh, off is heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Lu, 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme and get sip off. Tawassut. Kum. Fa for fa, give very nice hums. As for hamza, use your throat very nicely. Attach with sad. Sad will get sip off. Raqawa, it is heavy and it will get safir. As, there should be a whistle sound in sad very nicely. As, bah. For ba, for fatha, open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will have misty sound. It will get raqawa. It is light, and the sound goes on. Bah, tum. This is ikhfa shafawi. Keep the sound in your nose very nicely. Tum bi for kasra, give E sound. Nia for kasra, give E sound. Attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut. And it should be from your throat. Be nia. Ma is short. T short. He 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is he. Ich for kasra, give E sound. Attach with kha. Kha will get sifa for a qawa. And it is heavy. Ich wa 2 counts long for wow. Circle your lips. Now idgham with gunna. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is idgham. Idgham with idgham. This is idgham with gunna, so it has akmal gunna. Wa for wow, circle your lips. Kum ikhfa. Tum for dhamma, circle your lips. For meme, give the wasut. The sound, lips should be in a straight position. Ain is short, but the ain should be from your throat. Fatha is short, but the ain should be from your throat. Nicely done. La 2 counts long. Sh is short. Fa with hums, it is 2 counts long. Fa, huf for dhamma, circle your lips. Ha should always have this misty sound before this haraka. Huf, and fa will get hums. Ra, ra is heavy. Team for kasra give e sound attached with meme. Meme will get sifa gunna, and this is akmal gunna because this is idgham with gunna. حفرات مي for kasra is short. Nan idgham with gunna, and this is akmal gunna. Sorry, this is akmal gunna. Nan, na, na is 2 count long. Ri, ra is light here because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Fa, fa is with hums. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Before fatha, you are creating these hums. This is ikhfa, and that will be heavy ikhfa. Why? Because qaf is among heavy letters. Qa is heavy. The sound is short, but the sound is heavy. The sound is short. Kum for Dhamma, circle your lips. That with me. This is Qam Shafawi. So you are creating what? Akmal Gunna. Kum minha. Ha is 2 counts long. And min will get on noon, you will give tawassut. Ka is short, the sound is light, but there is no hums. Ka, the is 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka, it is light, the sound is short. Kadhalika, you. Yeah, is soft for Dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. You. Bay. As ba is attached with ya. Ya is with tashdid, so you will give nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Bay, when you are attaching ba with ya, this is the place where you will create nabar. Bay, bay, bay. If you are not creating nabar, it will be bay, bay, bay. But no, we cannot say that because we will drop this tashdid if we will not create this nabar. So make sure you are attaching ba with ya very nicely and with creating nabar. Bay, bay. And then ya kasra is very short. Ki, nul, noon will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because you found dhamma before it. Nul, who is short for dhamma, circle your lips. La short. Kum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme, you will get sifa tawassut. Kum. Hamza is very sharp. Make it 2 counts long, and long vowel is from your jaw. Yeah is soft and 2 counts long. T short. He 2 counts long. La short. Al. Ain from your throat. Attached with lam. Fatha is very short. Al. Kum for Dhamma, circle your lip. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and there should be tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Kum. If I'm not saying tawassut, how I will say kum, kum? No, I cannot say it like that. I have to create this tawassut because Lin Omar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. La'allakum. Ta is very sharp, attached with ha will get rahawa. And it is like tadun. If tawassut, make it 4 counts long because this is mad arid lissakun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.